I'm a rainmaker of a team. The success we've had with Command is really just getting all of the details about all of our clients into one database, whether it's creating designs, following up with our database, or simply just processing commissions. Command is a great platform where we can do everything. We use the opportunities section for our pipeline and then compliance as well. Everything is in there. We're building out our database. We're touching our clients as much as we can through smart plans. We use it for renters, so we have a lot of renter follow-up in there. We build a smart plan to make sure that we can reach out to our renters 3 or 4 months into their lease, 6 months into their lease, and then work to convert them for buyers. The average agent doesn't even have a database. When we come to Keller Williams or you join from another brokerage, you're really taught to create that database, and Command makes it easy for you with all the tags, organization, and smart plans.